Hey everybody, Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I'm going to give you a tour of our newest listing at 6814 Alhambra Court. This is located up in Picacho Hills. It sits on a cul-de-sac, beautiful home, southwest home. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, plus an office. It does have its own little separate guest quarters here with its own entrance, and it does have its own AC and heating in there. The home does have solar. Great views, east-facing backyard. You have some views of the valley and some views of the mountains. Beautiful patio area. This is just an absolutely gorgeous home. Come on in, let's take a look around. All right, guys, I want to thank you for taking this tour of 6814 Alhambra Court. Again, gorgeous southwest home located in Picacho Hills. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2090 square feet. Does have an office as well. One of the bedrooms is its own little separate casita off of the courtyard there. Great patio area. There's an east-facing backyard on a cul-de-sac. You have some views of the Organ Mountains and gorgeous views of the valley as well. Give me a call, Ron Bruder, 575-312-7330, or visit our website at www.homesforsaleandlostcruces.com. Thanks. Have a great day.